Well, new to me tool out here on the farm. What do we got? We got the ground pounder. It's a little plate tamper with the Honda GX 160 on it. Went to pound some ground the other day, and well, tore the pull cord right out of it. So that stopped me. Should be a simple fix. Let's take off that side cover and see what's inside. Not really a whole lot of excitement in here. You can see the old broken piece of cord. So probably next step is I will fish this out, get the new cable, new cord wrapped around it, and then load up some tension on the spring for the recoil. Well, it seemed to have some good tension on it. Now, the final step is going to be to fish it through the hole, reinstall the handle, and away we go. So probably not a bad idea to wedge something, jam something in here so the cord doesn't suck itself all the way in. Seems to work all right. A little reinstall. Well, got the pull cord, side cover all reinstalled. Maybe we should see if we got any gas in here. Maybe the old sniff test. Oh yeah, she's right. Next, maybe see if we got any oil in it too. Oh, coming out. Yeah, we got lots of oil. That's perfect. Well, I guess we'll see if this bad boy's ready to pound some ground today. Well, here's the part that I start pulling and keep pulling and make an idiot out of myself. Choke. Fuel on. Rabbit mode. I would say we might get. Oh. Okay, back to the bench. Let's open this sucker up and see what we see. It's already drained the fuel out. Well, most of it. It's pretty dirty. Oh, there we go. That looks beautiful. Looks like we've probably had some water in there. Probably using ethanol fuel. And what I suspect is, looking up in here, the main jet is likely plugged up. So I'm going to see if I can get that out and run a welding tip cleaner through it. Well, got it all apart and pulled the jet out, and it's actually not plugged. You can see light through it, so I don't know what the hell's going on. We'll clean that up, put it back together, and see what happens. Well, the old ground pounder, aka Earthquake Maker 5000, back in action. Not sure what I'm going to do with this unit, but at least it runs now. What a beauty.